Forget fumbling for account numbers. Sending money is now as simple as a quick scan. In today's fast-paced world, contactless and secure payments are the way to go, and QR codes are revolutionizing how we transfer funds. This tutorial will guide you through transferring money by simply scanning a QR code, a method that's both efficient and incredibly easy. Let's break it down. The first step is to have the sender's QR code ready. This code is usually generated within their mobile payment app, representing their payment details. On your end, open your preferred mobile payment app, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Google Pay, or your bank's app, and locate the option to scan a QR code. This is often found on the main transaction or payment screen. Once you've found the scan feature, point your phone's camera at the sender's QR code. Ensure the QR code is well lit and fills a good portion of your screen. Your app will automatically recognize and read the QR code. It will then prefill the recipient's information, prompting you to enter the amount you wish to send. Carefully enter the exact amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any errors. After entering the amount, review the transaction details one last time. This usually includes the recipient's name or identifier and the amount being sent. Finally, tap the Confirm, Send, or Pay button. Your funds will be transferred instantly and securely, without any need for manual information entry. And that's it. You've just successfully transferred money by scanning a QR code, a simple, secure, and undeniably convenient way to handle your finances.